levels for a bit now, but the auto stocks really have it today. Whether you look at a Bajaj, M&M, Hero, all of them are doing well in trade, and that's because their numbers have started coming through. This is the October sales figure. So Sonia is here to run us through how they're looking. Sonia, mostly good?
Well, mostly a good set of numbers coming through for the month of October, as you rightly pointed out. Let me start with Bajaj Auto because the numbers were very strong in October. This was the highest ever domestic sales that the company has clocked in October 2023. Highest ever CV sales as well that the company has looked at in the domestic market. Total sales growth of almost 20%. The domestic sales up 36%. However, exports continue to be under pressure, so exports are still down about 7%. Moving on to the tractor market, Escorts Kubota, the numbers were not that great. The total sales was actually down about 9%, domestic sales down 8.7%, and the management said that the festive season was delayed and spread across 2 months. That's why on a year-on-year basis, the numbers look like it's on the weaker side. Going forward, they say that all macroeconomic factors remain positive and they expect the demand momentum to continue. If we move on to M&M, very strong sales coming through in the auto segment in the month of October. Overall sales growth of 32% in the auto segment, highest ever SUV sales of 43,708 units. However, tractors are under pressure. The total tractor sales were down 3% and the domestic sales down 2%, but the management is confident. They say that the higher aggregate kharif production, higher MSP for the key rabi crops and the government's continued support in the agri space could aid demand in the second half. So mixed bag this time around. Tractors under pressure, but the other companies doing pretty well.
Okay, thank you very much for that. That's a complete roundup of what the sales look like for the month.